You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Items provided by Safari Ltd for review.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Exciting day, Elise. We have one of the rarest boxes in the world.
Yes, we do.
Not just the box, it's what's inside.
But before we begin, we need to say thanks to Safari Ltd for sending us this box.
Yes. Now, they have sent us other products in the past, so we do appreciate collaborating with them. Now, the box is not what's special, it's what's inside the box. So we are announcing some of their new product line here. Are you ready to see what's in the box?
Very ready.
Flap 1, flap 2, flap 3. Some beautiful orange tissue. Just kidding. All right, so we have one larger piece. Take that.
All right.
And then we have another smaller one. Look at that.
Okay.
And then another smaller one. Check that out.
Wow.
And then the rest is just orange tissue. Very nice of them to package it for us like this. All right, so if you had your choice, you'd probably want to open up
The big one.
Yeah, all right, but let's wait.
Yeah.
Let's do them in order here. So try that one there. Let's see what we have.
Ooh.
Okay, a little creature. Look at that.
Yeah.
I can't tell. It's almost like he's got scales or fur or a little armor on him, huh? All right, so this is a pangolin. I'm not familiar with that kind of creature at all. We'll have to research that. Maybe we'll put up a little detailed information on the screen so everybody can learn about them like we are. All right, so that's that one. All right, next small one.
All right.
Ooh, a snake. Got it?
Right.
All right, this is...
Looks like a python.
Yeah, an albino Burmese python.
Oh, that's right.
Very cool. Look at the coloring on him.
Yeah, very
And his eyes are just looking at you, and his tongue is just going... Right? All right, one more to check out. Ooh, the biggest one. Oh,
Wow.
look at that. Now that is a cool looking dragon.
Yeah.
All right, so he's protected in this nice plastic protector here, so you know. All right, and then let's see, where does it say? Oh, right there. It says lava dragon.
Okay.
Ooh.
He does look like lava.
Yeah, the coloring. Check it out.
Yeah. It's like
Very neat. Okay,
silvery.
so out of the three, which one would you say is your favorite? Huh?
I have to go with the snake, actually.
The snake,
Yeah, I
really?
know. But I like all of them.
You like all of them?
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. Let's take some pictures of them.
Okay.
We'll put them in a little natural environment for them, and then what we'll do is put a little information for each one so you can learn more about them like us and get other different views. Well, there's his bottom.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold that one upside down so they can just see that. Maybe we'll just do pictures of the top and show them in their environment. How's that?
All right.
Look at this guy. I don't know what environment this would be. It'd be maybe a castle. It'd be
Or
stormy.
maybe like a volcano.
So look at that.
Wow.
Very cool. All right.
Yeah.
We are done for now, Elise. Let's put some music on. Everybody sit back, relax, enjoy the toys, because remember, they are toys that teach. So we want to teach you something now.
Yes.
So check out the slideshow, and thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.